Hello, sweet little learners. Okay, that was all about clouds. And I picked out 3 clouds that I want you to think about for your mind's on. They are called, the first one's called Cumulus. And I wrote 2 words beside Cumulus. It says puffy and small. Cirrus clouds are high and thin. And do you remember they sometimes look like horses' tails? And stratus clouds are the clouds that are thicker and grayer and closer to the ground, and they're filled with rain or snow. So I want you to look around your house and see what you have, or your classroom. I found some Q-tips, some toilet paper, and some shaving cream. How do you think I could create all 3 clouds using stuff like this? If I poof out the shaving cream, what kind of cloud do you think Miss Hake might make? Let's take a look. Oh, that was kind of fun. Is it a cumulus cloud? Is it puffy and small? Is it a cirrus cloud? Is it high and thin? Or is it stratus? Does it look like it's filled with rain and snow? If you said cumulus, you're right. I might have a little more fun making cumulus clouds. Ooh, there's a really big puffy one. Now, if I were going to make a cirrus cloud, how could I make it? If it's high and thin, I'm wondering if I can, look at that, spread out. Spread it out. And then I'm wondering, how do I make a rain cloud? Well, I'm going to need some more cloud. And I need to make it dark. How can I make this dark? I'm wondering if marker will work on this. Let's see. There's my cirrus cloud. There's my cumulus cloud. Let's see. I might need some paint. I'm going to see if I can find my Sharpie over here. Goodness me. I don't know. And see if I can put some black in there. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to keep working. Maybe food coloring, or maybe I can mix a little bit of Play-Doh in with it. I wonder if that will look like it's filled with rain. Look at this. Little raindrops. All right. Whatever you decide to do, I want you to think about how can you make a cumulus, puffy and small cloud, a cirrus, a high and thin cloud, and a stratus, a thick and rainy cloud. Can you make them with things that you have? You may not have shaving cream, but you may have whipped cream, or you may have Play-Doh. I want you to think about it while I have some fun playing with my clouds. All right, see you soon.